Hi guys, welcome back to Gorgeous You. I'm Megha. I hope you're all doing well and are safe at home. So if you haven't subscribed to Gorgeous You, then go and subscribe now, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you get all the notifications of my latest update. Also guys, follow me on my Instagram. My Insta handle is gorgeousyou.gy. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, in today's video, I'll be sharing my skincare regime. And when it comes to skincare, we all swear by the CTM skincare regime. As you all know, it's a 3-step process and it involves cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So when it comes to skincare, I swear by the DIY face wash powder. The first step which I use is washing my face, and I prefer using that DIY face wash powder. I've already shared a lot of variants for the DIY face wash powder in my previous videos. You can go and check it out if you haven't watched. I'll drop the links in the description box. But guys, these days, I don't have much time because we are either doing work from home, or a lot of people have even resumed work from office, and it becomes very much difficult to take out time and look after our skin or look after our hair. So in that case, I prefer using this face wash, which is one of my favorite these days. I'm using this Serona's hydrating face wash, and my dermat recommended this to me. So this face wash has hyaluronic acid in it, and it nourishes the skin, it hydrates the skin from within. So I really love this product these days, and it also has aloe vera gel in it, so it doesn't even dry out the skin. And as you know that winters are approaching, so you need something which helps to lock the moisture in the skin. So guys, this face wash is suitable for all skin types, and I particularly have acne prone and combination skin, and this has really suited me well. And it's free from parabens, sulfates, mineral oil, synthetic colors and formaldehydes. And this face wash retails for 349 rupees, and it's a 125 ml product. So if you want to buy any of the products that I'll be showing in this video, you can go and check it out in the description box. I've dropped the links over there, and you can also use my coupon code to get additional discounts. So guys, after this, I like to apply one of my most favorite DIY sandalwood face pack, and I'll share the recipe of this face pack just in a few minutes. And I like to use this step whenever I have time. I like to add the steps to my cleansing regime. So let's get started. So guys, this face pack is really good for people with acne prone skin or oily skin, or if you have combination skin, then this will also be really good for you guys. So first, this product that I'll be adding here is sandalwood powder, as you can see. So I'll add 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder in it. After this, I'll add 1 teaspoon of Multani Mitti powder. It's also known as Fuller's Earth. And after this, I'll add a pinch of wild turmeric or Amba Haldi. Now you can add curd or milk to make a smooth paste out of it. You can even use rose water to combine all the ingredients. I prefer using milk or curd because it doesn't dry out my skin, and my skin feels hydrated and nourished after applying this face pack. So I'll be adding milk to it. Now combine all the ingredients well. If you want to add more, you can add even more milk. you guys see, this is ready. So yeah, I'll be applying this and sharing the results with you in the video itself.
Wait for 10 to 15 minutes until it gets completely dried. After this, I'll wash off my face. So I apply this face pack usually thrice a week. You can apply it according to your wish.
So after this, I'll be removing my facial hair. So I prefer shaving over waxing or threading, and also it's very convenient and time-saving process, and it's painless process. And as you know that I have acne-prone and sensitive skin, and this waxing and threading really aggravates the pimples and it makes my skin quite red, and I usually get rashes on my face after that, so I hate it. So I swear by shaving. And I usually make my eyebrows with the help of razor, and I like to use it sometimes on my upper lips, or I also like to use it on my side locks. I don't remove them completely, but just a little bit of it. And yeah, I'll be showing you in this video itself how I shave my face. So since I got to know that Sirona also has facial razors, so without giving a single thought, I just ordered it, and I got this combo pack of 3 razors. So I have already used one from this. Now as you can see, it's very convenient to use this, and it also has this plastic cap. So after shaving, you can just wash off the razor and put the cap back, and it's very travel friendly also. You can easily carry it in your bag while traveling.
So firstly, I'll use aloe vera gel on my face, and then I'll start shaping my brows, and then I'll remove my side locks. It makes my skin soft, smooth and supple, and after shaving, I wash off my face with normal water. Here in this video, I am not showing the complete process. I'm just removing my side locks. If you want to know how I shape my brows, then do let me know in the comment section. I'll make a detailed video on it.
Now the second step is toning. So I like to use rose water as a toner. So I probably prefer using this twice a day, like one after washing my face in the morning, and once before going to bed. After I wash off my face, then I apply rose water. I dab it with the help of a cotton ball, and it helps to hydrate the skin, and it helps to reduce all sort of puffiness and dullness, and I actually feel quite relaxed and refreshed after using this. Now the final step of my skincare routine is moisturizing. So I prefer serums over face moisturizers because they are so light, non-greasy and non-oily. So the serum which I like the most is this Sirona's Hydrating Face Serum, as you can see. And this was recommended to me by my dermat, and ever since that I have been in love with this product. And see, this product is also quite affordable. It retails for 699 rupees, and it's a 50 ml product. And what I love about this product is that it has two of the most important ingredients, that is hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. And as I've mentioned before that I have acne prone and combination skin, so I love the products which have salicylic acid. And earlier also I was using a salicylic acid serum, but now I switched to this one because it also has hyaluronic acid in it. And as you know that hyaluronic acid helps to retain skin's moisture, and it helps to nourish the skin from within. And after applying this serum, my skin feels fresh, hydrated, nourished, soft and supple. This serum is free from all sorts of preservatives. It's free from parabens, sulfates, SLS, mineral oils, and it doesn't have synthetic colors or formaldehydes, and it's suitable for all skin types, normal, dry, combination, oily, so anyone can use this. And I prefer using this serum twice a day, once after taking a shower in the morning, and the second time before going to sleep. I use this product, and the next morning my skin feels so soft, hydrated, and that's why I love this product. So if you want to buy this, I have dropped the links in the description, you can go and check it out. Now the one thing which I don't like about this product is that it has a quite overpowering fragrance, and I don't like the products which have strong fragrance, but yeah, ignoring it, it's really a great product. So that's why I am in love with this as of now. So guys, that was it for my today's video. I hope you really liked this video, and if you like this video and if you want me to make more such videos, then do comment down. And yeah, so until then, stay fit, stay healthy, and of course, stay gorgeous.